Are you having a hard time putting on weight, putting on muscle? Do you feel like the spark inside yourself is slowly dying? The answer to both of these problems is pasta. I'm going to show you how I make my pasta every night to get big and strong and to quiet the squirrels in my head. I also have some of my friends to help me out, which I will now introduce to you. Michael, Doug, Baxter, Raquel, and Leon. All you're going to need are these three simple ingredients: ground beef, pasta noodles, and some sauce. What if you don't like penne noodles? Well, that's okay, Michael. You can use any noodles as long as you put in the right amount. In fact, I usually prefer spaghetti noodles because I can fit more of it inside my mouth. You're going to want to eat this as fast as possible because if you take your time, it'll get sort of treacherous and unenjoyable. And the pasta will start talking to you. And that's not what you want to do because the pasta is very persuasive. What kind of beef should we use? Great question, Baxter. The answer is up to you. I kind of prefer the more lean beef, but typically 80-20 works fine and it is cheaper. So when in doubt, go 80-20 ground beef. What do you season it with? What you season it with is up to you. Typically, I just use salt and pepper. Sometimes I'll mix in a little bit of Cajun. I can see you back there. I can see through this screen. I know what you're doing. I know what you look like. When your beef is cooking, start boiling your water for the pasta. Make sure to add salt as well. I'm not sure why you're supposed to add salt, but I do it anyway. Once your beef is finished cooking, you can put most of it away in a Tupperware container. I'm not sure exactly how much beef I eat, but it looks like this. As long as it covers the whole pan, when you kind of flatten it out, I think you have a good amount. Once your water's done boiling, measure out 8 ounces of pasta. And then you want to cook it for like 9 minutes, maybe. It varies depending on the noodle. You can also start adding sauce to your beef now. Once your pasta is finished cooking, put it in a bowl. I like to add butter and black pepper. Then you add your sauce, and you're finished.